Hey all, today I'm going to see that how we can upgrade version and apply new patches. Right now we have seen that two patches are like one number version upgrade and one of them and that five patches is available for this HANA instances. So you can see when you click here, you can see here the number new version are available for your instances and new patch is available for your instances. The first we have to go with patch available. Either you can click here and apply patches or click here and apply patches from here. So right now you can see here, you can take a screenshot uh, of this reference version is 2026.2.20, and if you click here, yeah, there is option to apply patch and see version. Okay, now you can see here that this is the version. I'm just taking one screenshot for reference purpose. Okay, okay, now we are going to apply patches. Click here to apply patches, and this is current version. Current version maintained until October 2026. But right now we are going to apply the patches. So we have click on apply patches, and it's applying. So once, yeah, you can say that upgrading SCS database has started. Please refresh the instance list to see the status. Okay, they ask me to refresh. Still waiting that upgrading, applying patch and upgrading the version. Install is going to ready to complete the upgrading. So if you see here, that's a big control. These roles would be necessary to we have like if you have HANA Cloud, then you need that administrator role as administrator, data publisher administrator, data publisher viewer, security administrator, cloud viewer, and sub founder administrator. So according to your use, you need these roles in SAP HANA database. Till I have to wait that HANA Cloud is going to start. Now you can see that system is up to date. It's earlier it is applying patch and then after upgraded this our system is up to date. All the configuration is okay. Okay. So you can see the version 2026.14.1.8. You see here 2026.2.20 is there. Now 2026.14.8 is there. So now you can see that system is updated from version 2026.2 to version 2026.14. We have initialized this and add to that repository inside that RSS online. We have added the Fiori application BTP. Okay, now we are going to learn about access UAA and the app router. So now we're back to the build SAP build zone. Okay, now we're going to start with um, creating app router. So this is from going to create empty module from templates. So we will get lots of option here. So we can start with app router. You can see here that configuration app router, add app router configuration to your multi grid application MTA project. So we can select this and going to start. So once we start with this, we are going to know about the what actually the app router is. So that application router is the single point of entry for an application, like running in the Cloud Foundry environment. You can access the single entry point for any project. Okay, you can as users you can set the server static contents, authenticate user, or rewrite URL, forward any proxy request to that other microservices with the user information, and also to manage application or application router. You have to enable the access of HTML5 application in a cloud environment. Also, to migrate the application router, you must need to be subscribed with SAP build work zone with a standard or special um, mm, service. You can go to service marketplace and install these application. As I can see, you can see here standard edition. I already select that as standard edition for this. Okay, so now I am going with the managed app router. Okay, in a managed app router, you can select your name. I can go with application router. Okay, I'm giving the name application router. Okay, now it asks, do you plan to add a UI in future? Yes, in future we can add this. So now click on next. So we have added that. So if you see here inside that, you will get some. You will get here. You can see here that we have added that app router. You can see it is uses viewer for authentication, user learning factors, security profile called application, and UA users. So now we are going to add access UA configuration to the application learning purpose. So for that, what about authentication? Then you can set that to verify the user identity and the presented claims such as granted role and permission, tenant membership, authorization, uh, role control. So you can authorization reveal who can use the services. That this is comes under that authentication and authorization. If someone asks about how you can control that control authorization. So you can say that in contrast, like authorization control how the user can interact with the application resources according to generated variables. So for that, you go to learning purpose, right click and go open terminal. Once you open the terminal, you can just add CDS at access. You can see here we have added that facet access UA successfully added the future. If you see in that, you will find somewhere this will area. You can see here the parameter where we have added access UA security. Inside that, later we will give the authorization also. You can see here. Mm, you can see here somewhere else where you will find that configuration related access UA. Yeah, you can see here that UA underscore learning purpose key is there. Okay, now we are just install the repository. Install. Okay.